Okay, good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, everybody, wherever you are. Today is January 12th, 2026. I hope everybody had a good weekend. And speaking of weekend, happy Monday, everybody. Today is going to be the last day that I trade on this paper trading sim account. I mentioned on Friday that I was planning to start trading on the platform account today, but I'm not seeing any trades I like right now. My original idea was to take a trade on the sim account for the beginning of the session and then take another trade on Topstep for other trades later in the day. But we'll talk more about that in detail later. I think trade and do take all the trades on the Topstep account starting tomorrow. And if you look at P&L for today, we have a profit of 1,500 smackaroos. That feels good. And this is just based on one trade. I only took a trade on gold, which we'll go over. And we'll talk about next steps from there. Let's get into it. Okay. So the trade on gold was just based on a retracement from a breakout of the 5-minute opening range. We got this nice breakout, and then we had to just move lower to this 50%-ish area. If we go to the 1-minute chart, you'll see that we had a bullish reaction here. My plan was to wait until we move below this area and then buy once we had a move up, or if we had a move up, which we did. So I got in at 4609.8 in this area here because we had this bullish reaction. My profit target was up here, so this was just based on the range of the 5-minute opening range. Stop loss was down here. Unfortunately, the trade hit my profit target, and that ended up being a great big trade, a big win. Now, of course, this would have been better if I had taken this trade on Topstep, but that's okay. I'm just going to apply what I learned through all this sim trading and take those lessons to my trading on the combine. In terms of ES, I did really want to take a long here. If you look at the price action or market structure, however you want to call it, earlier in the morning, or basically in the middle of the night, we had this reaction, bullish reaction, off of this level of, I guess, support or demand, and so that was a signal to consider long entries. But of course, I wasn't really trading then. We did get this really strong push up, but there hasn't really been much of a pullback at all. And I was waiting for a nice pullback so I can go long, but nothing has happened yet, and doesn't look like anything is going to happen at this point. It's already almost noon. It's 11:20 a.m. as I am making this video. I mean, if we do get a pullback, I might try to take. If we get a pullback, I might try to getting along, but I'm just not sure at this point. All right. I'm just going to do the retrospective based on gold. I do like how the setup works here, but I do want to add more confirmation or just more confluence to this trading plan. That will give me more comfort in the results. Otherwise, I guess I'm just gonna have to trade on Topstep starting tomorrow. I already reset my account. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any comments or suggestions, please let me know. But if not, have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye.